Hi, this is Resilient Kent Lau. In this video, I would like to share with you how to turn this into this. So every three row, it will now become a single row. Every three row become a single row. How to do this? First, we loaded the data into Power Query. From there, we go into creating an index from 0. So this will pave the way to create a modulo. So again, we go to standard, modulo, put 3. So now it tells you that every 3 row, it returns to 0. So with that, I don't think this is needed. Just remove this column. Now what's next is that you go to the transform and you click on the pivot column, and then over here you go for don't aggregate. So it's just based on this modulo column. It has 3 unique value. It will now create 3 different columns, as you can see in the later stage, in the next steps. Alright, seems like something wrong. Let's see. It's a value. I'm doing aggregate. So let's see what it says there. There's 2 elements in the range to complete the operations. There were 2 melee elements in the eliminated. So it seems like the step of removing this column is not must be there. So then I click on the pure column. So it's based on the value, advanced, don't aggregate, click OK. This is very cool. Okay, so now we have this. So we need at least 2 more columns. See that there's an index goes right, it's needed. So now we basically have converted the 0, 1, 2, 1, 2. You see there's every single value, wherever 0, this is the India, and this is 0, and when this 0 here is China, when this 0 here is United States. Now you can take a look at there, where 0 is India, China, United States, and so on. See that? 1, it goes to the next row, you have this. But how do we put all together in the same row? The answer is select all this column, fill down. Now if you take a closer look, every 3 row, the last row itself is the if you look at this is 1 block, and now every last row of the block is complete with the data. So that is what we want. So to do that, to extract every 3 row, we will create, based on this index, we create a modulo. Same thing, put 3, and from here we do the filter on 2, click OK. Finally, remove the column, and we are about there, and we can rename the new column accordingly. This index column is no longer needed, so we can just remove it. And that is how we turn this data into here. So it required the understanding of pivot. Okay, so the pivot column. Okay, so you need to use the concept of pivot column. And then the modulo. Then also index column. So three of them is the essence of creating this transformation. I hope that this is useful to you. God bless you. God bless